how to register for NHS UK. Google search for register NHS. Click on the first link that pops up right here, register with a GP surgery. Scroll down and you can either log in to open an NHS app or open the NHS app or create an account. We're going to click on create account. Who can have an NHS account? Make sure you are registered with a GP surgery in England and aged 13 or over. Click on continue if you meet this criteria. Next, you will need to provide your email address and click on continue. Now, once we do this, we will have to confirm that we are human. So we got to choose the hats here. So choose all of the hats and then you want to, what is that? And then you want to click on confirm. Now you will need to create an account and this is going to be essentially your NHS account. Click on continue. So you have to set a password. The password should have 8 characters or more, have one uppercase letter or more, and not start or end with a blank space. Afterwards, we will just confirm this password. So I'm just going to do that real quick and click on continue. And once you do this, you just want to follow the prompts and you will have created your NHS account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.